To insert SIM card in Google Pixel 9 Pro or 9 Pro XL, inside of the box, on the other side of this leaflet, this here has your SIM ejector tool. And so what we need to do is at the bottom of the phone, we see the charging port, and then to the right, we have this outline and a hole. This is our SIM card tray. So insert the thin end of the SIM ejector tool into that hole, and then push down and release when you hear a click, and you'll see the SIM card tray has partially ejected. And then use your nails to pull out the tray. Now, for all countries and region, we only have one physical SIM card slot. For dual SIM, you would need to activate an eSIM. And so we want to look for that ridge in the SIM card tray. You may not see it on the other side. It's only present on this side. And we will match the ridge of the SIM card tray with the ridge of the SIM card. And the SIM card itself should click in place and it should feel nice and flush. Then we'll get the phone again, and we just want to match that hole of the SIM card tray with the hole in the phone. And then we'll just push back the SIM card. We'll rub the tray with our finger to make sure it's nice and flush. And now we can see the SIM card has been inserted successfully. If the SIM card is not being recognized, clean this yellow contact part. So you can use a t-shirt, towel, microfiber cloth. Just give this one a good rub, then put the SIM card back in your device. If still not working, get a new SIM card from your carrier.